Is it time to buy or sell SERV Robotics stock? In this video, we will explore SERV Robotics in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on the 6th of January, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since December 5, 2024, our system has classified SERV Robotics as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 140.19% since we initially advised purchasing SERV Robotics 21 days ago. This results in an average return of 6.68% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's forthcoming direction, as it may shift in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the ceiling of the current trend, which was previously broken at $18.25. This level may present a second opportunity for investors looking to capitalize on growth. According to fan theory, $24.65 is projected to be the next potential peak level, which may act as a resistance that could prove challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 66.44% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 13.88% to an increase of 32.68%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 42.61% over the coming year, with potential returns fluctuating between a decrease of 30.47% and an increase of 111.45%. This translates to a price range of $15.92 to $48.40 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SERV Robotics features the headline, Significant Movements in SERV Robotics Incorporated Stock Price on Monday, fluctuating by nearly 20% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, the stock price of SERV Robotics Incorporated increased by over 20%, rising from $19.03 to $22.89. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock varied by almost 20%, with a low of $20.31 and a high of $24.35. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, and over the past 2 weeks, it has increased by over 71%. Trading volume also rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a promising technical indicator. A total of 7 million additional shares were traded compared to the previous day, culminating in a total of 27 million shares exchanged for roughly $620,890,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $30, while the lowest was $1.77. Presently, the stock price stands 23.7%, or $7.11, below the 52-week high, and 63.49%, or $39.81, below the all-time high recorded on the 28th of September, 2018, when the price peaked at $62.70. SERV Robotics recently secured $86 million in financing, bolstering its liquidity and enhancing its ability to transform last-mile delivery. This funding round is part of a larger strategy that has seen the company raise approximately $220 million since its spin-out from Uber in 2021. By expanding its operations and technology, SERV is positioning itself as a leader in the autonomous delivery market. The company's stock has surged 370% since its initial public offering, reflecting strong investor interest attributed to its partnership with Uber. This deal involves deploying thousands of self-driving robots for Uber Eats in U.S. cities throughout 2025, which could significantly enhance SERV's market reach and operational efficiency. Additionally, SERV Robotics is focused on deploying 2,000 eco-friendly robots, leveraging its relationship with Uber to tap into a vast customer base. This first-mover advantage in a rapidly growing sector, coupled with its sustainable approach, further strengthens its position against competitors like Amazon and Starship Technologies. In the short term, the impressive funding and growth outlook could lead to increased investor confidence, driving the stock price up. In the long term, as the autonomous delivery market expands and the company scales its operations, SERV may capitalize on growing demand, potentially resulting in sustained valuation increases for investors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned SERV a buy grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 17th of July, 2024, it was reported that Aegis also assigned SERV a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned SERV Robotics stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SERV Robotics. The SERV Robotics Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $17.25 and $12.19. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, December 31st, 2024, and to date, the stock has increased by approximately 69%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the near short-term development. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal that emerged 4 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average has provided a buy signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 20 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average presented a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 15 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SERV Robotics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $19.03 and $17.66. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SERV Robotics Inc. finds support just below today's level at $19.03. If this support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $17.66 and $17.64. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, demonstrating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $4.04 between its high and low, or nearly 20%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 20%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SERV Robotics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 0.2 dollars. It is important to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SERV Robotics. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and utilizing volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, SERV Robotics encounters its first support level at $19.03. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SERV Robotics from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on April 22, 2024, when NVIDIA Corporation executed an insider purchase of 1,051,229 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.06, representing a decline of 3.62%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is SERV Robotics stock a good buy? SERV Robotics Incorporated presents several positive indicators. However, these alone do not qualify it as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current situation, it is better categorized as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our previous assessment of this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 7th of January, we anticipate that SERV Robotics will open lower by approximately 37 cents, beginning trading at $22.52. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor prior to any purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.